Have you encountered the same client to play a game but it encountered a black screen? Now in this video, we will discuss solutions that can help you fix it. So to ensure that the black screen issue on Steam is not just a minor glitch, you have to first try the simple fixes like restarting the same client and your computer once to ensure that there are no temporary glitches. You can also click 3 times anywhere on the black screen that appears in Steam, or if you can see it, click on the Friends and Chat option in the bottom right corner of the Steam client. Now if the issue persists, ensure that there is no hardware problem with your graphics card. Do it by opening your device manager, look for your graphics card, right-click, and then select Update Driver. Now some users also have tried updating the Steam client that helped them fix the issue. So just launch a Steam client, navigate to Steam tab, click on Check for Steam Client Updates. If the Steam client is already up to date, you will see a message, Your Steam client is already up to date. Now if your Steam client is not already updated, download and install the latest update. And that's how to fix Steam black screen issue on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.